welcome back. So today's video is going to feature Daisy. Daisy is 3 years old and she's going to do mommy's makeup. She requested this. She said she wanted to paint my face. I thought, why not? We've never done anything like this. Can you say hi, Daisy?
Hi.
Okay, what kind of makeup are we doing today? Go ahead, get started. That's Wet n Wild highlighter. It's a baked blush actually, but it's very shimmery. Go ahead, come on.
Okay.
Let's see what you got to do. What brush are you going to use first? Okay, she's going to use a Burberry Kabuki that I pulled out for her because I never use it. Can you, no, on me. I thought you were going to paint my face.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, good. Nice and shimmery. Perfect. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay, what other products do you want to use? What is that for? It's a Too Faced Sweet Peach. What is it called? What is it? Ooh, what color is it? Show it to the camera. What is it?
I don't know.
Lip gloss. Can you put it on my lips? Does it smell yummy?
Yeah.
Oh. It's like a pretty orangey shade. What about the bottom lip? Do you put some on that too? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But I think I'll spill some, so I'm right back.
So you're gonna put it back so you don't spill any? Okay, that's wise. What else do we want to put on today? Ooh, a Milani eyeshadow. What color would you say that is? Do you want me to help you open it?
No.
No? You don't want me to help? If you do, just put it in my hand right here, okay?
I need the help.
I thought so. This is a Milani Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadow in Bella Violet. It's a pretty purple color. Ooh, it matches your shirt today. Beautiful. Are you going to put that on my eyes?
Yeah.
Or somewhere else? Do you need a brush for that? Here you go. Oh, you got one? Okay. She's got a foundation brush that we are putting purple. Where are you going to put it? Oh. How does that look? What do you think? It looks purpley?
Oh, so you are purple now.
Oh my goodness. I like purple though. It's one of my favorite colors. Okay. What about the other eye?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, oopsie. I got it. There you go. Can you do my other eye?
I was joking you.
You were joking me? Oh. Behind Daisy is our baby swing and pack and play mattress, in case you're wondering what that is. I normally have you zoomed in more, but this time I wanted you to be able to see. Oh, look at that. She actually did a really good job. What do you think? Look good?
Good.
Okay. What else do we want to put on today? What are you thinking? Ooh, mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess one. Let me know if you need help opening it.
Ooh.
Okay, where does that go?
Eye.
On my eyelashes. All right. This is trust right here, y'all. Oh, God. Oh. Is that my eyelashes? Is that where they go?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? You gonna do the other eye?
Yeah.
All right,
I
perfect.
don't want to spill any.
Don't spill any. Yeah, I like that. Okay, what other products do you want to use today?
See, I can make things, but not makeup.
Here, these wipes will help you. Okay, she used a makeup wipe. Good. What else? I already have something on my lips. Do you have any other products you want to try? We could do 2 more products. And tell everybody what you're doing and why you chose that one.
Okay.
Why did you choose that color?
Because I love that. That's my favorite.
Oh. It's ColourPop. It's like one of those pressed powders. And, oops, it's called Metallic. Oop, hold on. Electra. It's a shimmery purple. Oh, that is gorgeous. That's going to look really good. Where does that go? And you can use your finger in that one if you want. Or you can use a brush.
Why?
Because it feels kind of cool in your fingers. It's kind of like spongy, huh? What do you think? Oh, a blush brush. Okay. And that purple glittery. All right, where does that go? On your cheeks?
Oh, wait.
Wait a minute.
No, the air one.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's done.
It's done. All right, anything else?
Yeah.
Oh, an Ulta brand eyeshadow. This is in the shade, she chose Flame. It's like an orangey peachy shadow. Okay, show me. How does it look on me?
Pretty fun.
We can use this one or different ones. Are you painting my face?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm painting you. I was painting you.
Yeah, what do you think of my ears? Did they get enough product on them? I'm not sure if you think I need more on them, because... Oh. You sure did. Oh my goodness. Did you want to do the other side, or are we all done?
We are not.
Okay, we have one more side, and then we're all done.
Oh, but I like even more.
Yes, you do. Oh, thanks. Right on the ear. Okay, perfect.
But
Well,
I like even more.
okay, you can do one more. You pick one more product. Oh, you want a lipstick? Okay, she picked a Maybelline lipstick. This is the last product. Show everybody the picture, or show what it looks like. I'll show you. It is Maybelline's Divine Wine Matte Lipstick. And look at it, Daisy.
Oh.
Whoa, look how dark that shade is. Where does this go?
I don't know on my lip.
On your lips? I thought we were doing Mama's makeup today. Would you like to do your makeup sometime? Not today. Do you think that would be fun? Are you going to put it on me, or are we just going to play with it?
We aren't.
We aren't. Okay. So it wasn't right for my look, or?
So I bought many flavors.
She bought many flavors. Okay. Do you want to say goodbye?
I bought many flavors here so I can eat them.
Please don't eat them. Okay. Thank you. Bye. I guess we're done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this awesome makeup look. If you need any advice for color selection, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.